Hi guys, welcome back to AG Automotive with Alex. Just wanted to do a quick review with my gimbal, my Cyan 4. So I've got it hooked up to the phone at the moment, and I just wanted to do a review with the gimbal on my new drone. So this is it here, the Mjx X103w, a X series foldable GPS drone. It's 5G Wi-Fi, 2K camera, and it's got GPS. So let's go around the side here. Now you do get this pretty cool looking controller which you hook your phone up to. So I'll just do a quick, just to show you, that's the drone there. You can see it, it's a foldable drone, obviously, and there's some caution, warning labels, bits and pieces. Nothing on that side, or just some app. You can scan the barcodes there with the QR scanners or whatnot, or you can just download the Mjx GPS app from either the App Store or the Google Play. So let's get into it. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. I've actually had this out before, but this is just an unboxing. Okay, so we've got the user manuals there, phone box. So here we have the drone itself. So you can see that there. We as well have the controller. So this is what I was talking about before. It's a bit like a DJI controller, if you sort of see it there. We've got the USB-C cable, and there is some more props in there, some extra props for you. Also, I got the 2 battery versions, so there's another battery there. If we turn it around, I don't know if you can really see it, if it'll focus. That's the spare battery there. You do have the lights on top of it there. So yeah, we'll just going to turn this on. So normally how you turn it on is you hit the little red button there. You've got a little lock button, a lock and unlock button. Is if you hit that, turn that on. Don't know if you can see that's pretty cool. Now that's searching for the drone. So if I take the drone, now you can see, I don't know if you can see on the drone, it's got number 1, number 2. So 1 and then 2. And then 1. And then 2. So that's the drone there. And I'm going to power it up for you. Just hold it on. And now it's clicked to say that it's done it. Now we need to do our little now we got a beep there, and then we do the above one. I think. Let's try that again. Right, all the lights are flashing green. So then we can do it like this way. And then when you know that you've done it right, you do the 3. You get solid red and solid yellow lights. So you have it there. And then obviously you've got these 2 little antennas. Apparently though, they don't really do anything. So what you've got in here, you've got obviously your throttle control up and down. You've got your, this is to move around, this is to go forward, back, left or right. You've got a camera button here. You've got a return to home button here. Up the top there you have You have two modes. You've got a speed mode and to turn the lights on. So we're in low mode. That's... I'm not sure what that one is. Oh, that's to take off, that's right. So, and this is to unlock the motors. So pretty much if you watch... And there's also here, you've got GPS on and off. I've got it off at the moment, just indoors. I can fly it, hover it, if I want to. So that's the controller. You've also got these little bits here that come down at the back there for easy holding. This does take a couple of AA batteries, so I might just... That didn't sort of, that's beeping because it's low on battery. So we'll turn that off for now. And we'll just walk around the drone just quickly. So at the front here, we've got the 2K camera. It does move up and down electronically, if you can see that. On this side, there's not really much there. There's nothing at the back. On this side, you have the USB charging for the battery. The battery does pop out, if you can see it there. So I have two of them. Also down the bottom here, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a spot for a micro USB micro SD card. So that's pretty cool there. On the bottom we have some landing lights and what looks like an optical sensor, but there's nothing there. So I don't know why they even put that on there. Other than that, that's the foldable drone. So I'm going to have a bit of flight time with that. As I said, I have already trialed it out a little bit, but I'll be putting up some video for you guys anyway. So stay tuned for more of that. Alright guys, thanks for that.